Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Roblox how to wear multiple accessories. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. On Roblox, wearing multiple accessories like hat, glasses or gear depends mostly on what your avatar supports and game limitations. In order to do it, first head over and open up your Roblox app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Once logged into your account, on the bottom of the options you'll be seeing your avatar icon. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside here, on the top menu you'll be seeing a bunch of options, and among them you'll be seeing an option that says accessories. Now in order to wear multiple accessories, all you gotta do is select the items that you want from hats, face accessories, neck accessories, shoulder accessories, front, back and wrist. All you gotta do is simply tap on the green checkbox to wear each item, and you can combine several accessories as long as they don't conflict. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.